No fire. The fire department is here. You are safe. Where are you? Okay, I still cannot see you. I'm Andy Porkchop. Andy Porkchop. Anyway, everything is going to be fine. Don't worry. All right. So all the firemen's. Okay. What? No fire. They just went into the building with squeegees. You know squeegees? I think it's flooded someplace. Flood. Yes, yes. No fire. All right, so I think one of the tenant or resident was up on the balcony and looking for the fire. She said the fire alarm went out, but there is no fire. All right, let's go to the other side. Yo, are you a YouTuber? Nobody talks to nobody in America now. No more. Everybody is a secret agent. Hi, I'm Andy Porkchop. What's your name? This guy is silent. Anyway, there is one lady in the... It's not nice, but looks like something happened. I think that's a lady. An old lady sitting in the lobby. My little brother is on the scene. Now he's calling in the other reporters. Anyway, looks like other residents are here. Maybe we interview this guy. Hey sir, what happened? Do you know what's happening? Do you know what happened? Is there a fire in there? No fire. Is it flooding? No. All right then. So everything is cool? So they brought everybody down in the hall?
Yeah.
They told you to come down here?
No.
You just came down?
We just came down.
But everybody just came down or they were ordered?
We're upstairs. Upstairs. We just came down.
They told you to come down? All right.
Nobody told us anything.
Ah, nobody told you anything?
No.
Okay, but I see lots of people in the lobby.
Yeah.
Are they told to come down?
Nobody told us anything.
Nobody told you anything?
No.
All right. A good thing there is no fire, I think. I think it's a flood or something. They went in with big squeegees. Yeah. How long have you been living here in this nice joint?
What's that?
How long have you been living here?
Oh. 2 years.
2 years. Is it nice here? Nice? Nice to live here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Any hot ladies?
They take care of us.
Do you have a girlfriend now?
Pardon?
Do you have a girlfriend? Did you meet some nice ladies here?
No, I got my wife.
Oh, you have your wife. Okay, then no girlfriend for you.
No girlfriend.
No girlfriend for you.
No, no.
Do you think if I move here I have a chance to get a nice lady, girlfriend?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah? Lots of single ladies?
Uh-huh.
All right. I go to the other side. They're looking for you now. All right, everybody get the mess. All right, they grabbed the guy came out of harm's way. Now he's going back where the fire department is. Anyway, Here we have emergency unit 94, 92. And look at that big 90T. T96. Alright, nothing on the monitor. So this is the big ladder truck. Here we have more. Ooh, 2 more units. Maybe these are my friends. Maybe these are my friends. They can tell us. My friends would tell us what's happening. Oh, this is the fire captain. Oh boy. This is B91. This is probably the battalion chief. Look at that. He left the info on. Gonna get my camera out and see what's on that. Anyway, so we have here B91. I think that's battalion. And here is one more, the T91. It's also a ladder truck. This one they're not running, so this is just a... I don't know how this guy got here because he's not talking to me. Just wonder if he has a secret method to listen to the radios. Yo, sir, how did you find your way here? Where is he? He's a prowler. He's a prowler and no talking at all. So only the old people nice in America. The old people talk to me until the nurse comes out with a whatever and takes away the friend of mine who was talking to me. Anyway, the old guy said they told them nothing. We told them nothing. Okay, Andy Porchop signing off. See you guys on the next one.